Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your WPS page number 11. Your WPS page number 11 is based on articles. So, what is articles? The articles are words a, an, and they. So, basically, there are three articles a, an, and the. They define whether something is specific or unspecific. Okay, I am going to repeat it once again. The articles are words a, an, and the. They define whether something is specific or unspecific. So basically there are three articles a, an, and the. So let's see some rules. But before that, just look at some examples. I saw a crow and an owl on the tree. The owl looked very funny. There was a bottle on the table. The bottle was very beautiful. My grandmother was a teacher. So, through this video, you will know where we use a, where we use an, and where we use the. So, let's see. Remember, articles are of two types. The first is the definite article, that is the. The second is the indefinite article, that is a and an. So basically there are two types of articles. The first is definite, that deals with the. The second is the indefinite articles, that is deals with the a and an. So let's see the first, the definite article. That means the use of the. The is called the definite article. It defines its noun as something specific. I am going to repeat it once again. The is called the definite articles. It defines its noun as something specific. Something specific means something previously known or mentioned. Something unique, something particular. Just like this is the river means this is mentioned, previously mentioned that this is the river. Okay, something specific. Okay, now let's see the other, the indefinite articles a and an. A and an are called the indefinite articles. They define their noun as something unspecific. Listen to me very carefully, student. Definite means a specific. Indefinite, that deals with the unspecific, means something mentioned for the first time. Means I am introducing something the first time. Something generic. Generic means general. Just like this is a river means just a common river. Okay. This is a pen. This is a fan. This is a girl. Just like this. Okay. Now you have to remember some important rules that you always have to keep it in your mind. The first is we use article a before a word that starts with a consonant. The first rule. Listen to me very carefully. We use article a before a word that starts with a consonant. I hope you all are known with the consonant. While we use article an before a word that starts with a vowel. I hope you all are aware of consonant and vowel. Okay, so let's see some examples. I saw a tiger and an owl. I saw a tiger and an owl. So here a is used before tiger. Tiger starts with a consonant. So we use a. Okay. Now the next is an. And we use before owl. O is a vowel. Okay. So we use a before a consonant and we use an before a vowel. But they're having some another rule that you always have to remember. We use article a when the word that follows it begins with a consonant sound also. Does not matter the word starts from a vowel but that sounds like a consonant, so you must use a. So always remember, we use a before a consonant word with a consonant sound. Okay? Now just look at here. We use article an when it is followed by a vowel sound. Where we use and we use before a vowel sound and before a vowel also. But the word must have a vowel sound and a vowel word, we use an. And if a word having a consonant and a consonant sound, so that we use a. Just like look at here example. Rajat had a university degree. Rajat had a university degree. University. Here U is a vowel but the sounds is consonant U. U. Okay? Here. Is it clear? So we use here a university degree. Now look at here the another example. It took Rahul an hour to get school. An hour. R is start from H but its sound is vowel. So we use an. You must remember, if a word starts with a consonant but sounds like a vowel, so we use an. So we use a and an according to their pronunciation. Okay, according to their sound. Fine. I hope I am clear to all of you. Now let's see. Now start the page number 11. Write the following with a or an in front of each. I told you where we use a and where we use an. So here the first is squeaky voice. Squeaky. So here squeaky consonant sounds are there. So we use a. A squeaky voice. Avenue of elms. Avenue of elms. So we use here an avenue of elms. Old picture. An old picture. Future leader. A future leader. Excellent beginning. An excellent beginning. Easy rescue. An easy rescue. An ancient statue. Ancient statue. An ancient statue. Now the next is English lesson. An English lesson. Elephant of great size. An elephant of great size. Enormous buffalo. An enormous buffalo. Wet February. A wet February. Arithmetic book. An arithmetic book. Different government. A different government. Other day. And another day. Okay, and other day. Okay, so these are some question in your WPS page number 11. Just try to pronunciate it and just do it in your copy. Okay, so thank you for today. We will start something new in my next video. Thank you.